So the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is a great vlogging camera, but pairing it with the right accessories can enhance the vlogging experience. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to some of my favorite accessories from SmallRig that you can use with your DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. They're also sponsoring this video, so big thanks to SmallRig, and I'll be mentioning all of the products also in the video description below. And by the way, I'm filming this entire video on the Osmo Pocket 4P. This way you can see how those accessories perform and how it would look like. So with that said, let's get into the video. So first off is this storage bag from SmallRig that helps protect your expensive Osmo Pocket 4P. It's actually waterproof and shockproof, and you also have this carabiner that you can clip onto your backpack. And when you open it up, you get dividers. So on the top, you can add your cables and other small items. And at the bottom, place in your Osmo Pocket 4P. So by having that divider, it won't scratch your pocket camera. And there's also a net where you can put in your cables or your mic or whatever else you need. And the case is also compatible with the Luna Ultra. And overall, it's solid, feels high quality, and it's definitely something I bring with me when I'm traveling so that my pocket gimbal stays protected. So one of the most important accessories are ND filters, and ND filters allow you to achieve that natural motion blur in your shot. This way it looks just more natural. And right now I'm using the ND64. It's a fixed ND filter, but SmallRig also provides variable ND filters. But what I like about the fixed ones is that it comes with a magnetic plate that I can attach first, and this way I can magnetically attach the ND filter and also remove them without, you know, having to kind of screw it on, if you know what I mean. So I need to cross the road. So next up is the quick release tripod, which I'm using right now as a selfie stick. It actually feels very comfortable holding it this way. And the cool part about this one is that once I press the base, the legs pop up open, so it allows me to quickly place it on a flat surface. Now, unlike the original tripod that comes with the Osmo Pocket 4P, this one is longer. And by having longer legs, it's also more stable for capturing time lapses, for example. Now, another benefit of using the quick release tripod is that you can use both hands to operate the pocket camera. And this allows you to generally achieve more stable and steady B-roll shots. So this is how it would look like if I would vlog handheld with the Osmo Pocket 4P holding the tripod leg. And if I want to place it on a flat surface, I can do so. And now I can talk hands-free, which is pretty awesome. Now, there's also a smaller version available, which is super easy to bring along. And the cool part about that one is that you can just, you know, press it down and opens up and also closes automatically. And it also is magnetic, so you can also attach it to any magnetic surface, which adds just more versatility. Now, by the way, if you're interested in the colors that you're seeing right now, I'm using my D-Log Creative LUT Pack, which is a one-click solution to getting an instant cinematic look in your D-Log footage. And also included are my go-to vlog settings that you can just set once and forget. And these work well with LUT Pack. So if you're interested, be sure to check out the link in the video description below. So next up is the backpack strap clip, which is great for POV shots. Now, obviously you can attach it to your backpack to get a immersive perspective, but you can also use it to clamp it onto other stuff, such as an umbrella. It was quite hot today, so during noon I just clipped it onto my umbrella, and it also worked pretty great. And the clamp is pretty strong. It holds firmly, so you don't have to worry about it falling off mid-shot. And what's also pretty cool is that at the bottom there is a hook included to hook it on mesh nets, and there's also a ball head that allows you to adjust the angle pretty easily. And it also features dual cold shoe mount, so you can also attach a light or a mic if you want to. Let's just attach this one right here Alright, so you're looking at the magnetic mount with a case. And this works for the Pocket 4 as well as the Pocket 4P. And what's really cool is that it has a magnetic backplate so I can attach it to metal surfaces. And by having this, it just offers a lot more versatility. And there's actually an expanded interface to it. So you've got a cold shoe mount, you've got 1/4 20 holes, and you've also got a bi-directional quick release magnetic plate. What's also great is that you have a 180-degree tilt adjustment. So this way you can frame your shots more precisely. Now, if you do need more reach, you can also get the Selfie Stick, which extends all the way from 20 to 90 centimeters. So this is really great to be further away from the camera and fit more people in the frame if you don't have a wide angle lens attachment, for example. Now, it actually also comes with this tripod leg. So that means I can place it on a flat surface, and this way I can talk hands-free to the camera, which is pretty cool. And by having that selfie stick, I can adjust the height if I want to. Now, you can also capture creative shots with this. So now I can record myself walking and create dynamic low shots. Now, if I only had to choose one accessory, it would be the ND filters, because those really shape the look of your video. And if you like that natural looking motion blur and more film-like look in your video, then an ND filter is necessary. And because they're magnetic, they're also easy to detach and attach. If you do professional work with the Osmo Pocket 4P, then this is definitely a must-have. Now, I hope this video was helpful in finding the right accessory. Now, like I said, all the products mentioned are in the video description below, so be sure to check that out. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.